In this video, we will be looking at the use of Thera PEP. It helps to remove mucus from the lungs. To adjust the resistance, rotate the dial to the arrow on the valved resistor port. Position 1 represents the highest resistance, which is easiest. Position 6 represents the lowest resistance, which is hardest. Start with number 3 resistance setting, or as prescribed by your healthcare provider. Sit up straight, place expiratory pressure indicator on flat surface in front of you. Make a tight seal around the mouthpiece with your mouth. Inhale a larger than normal breath. Hold your breath for 2 to 3 seconds. This allows the air to move through the lungs. Exhale through the PEP device to create pressure 10 to 20 centimeters of water. Maintain the expiratory pressure indicator between the 2 black lines. Repeat this process 10 times with the mouthpiece in for all breath as tolerated, which is 1 cycle. Do 2 to 3 huff coughs to get rid of mucus. Repeat the whole process for 5 cycles or 30 minutes as prescribed by your healthcare provider. A nebulizer can be attached to Thera PEP by connecting a small volume nebulizer T-piece to the end of the device. Seal the mouth around the mouthpiece and breathe in through the mouth as previously described.